OnePlus 70. Finally, it's here. We know we are little bit behind, but we thought that let's wait for some time and get everyone's review as they use it for some time. So let's begin. Starting with the display, it is similar to 7 Pro but a little less. It has 2400 by 1080 as opposed to 3120 by 1440 in 7 Pro, and pixel density of 402 ppi opposed to 516 ppi in 7 Pro. But nonetheless, still it's one of the best in this segment. Plus, it has Dolby Surround with a earpiece firing and main speaker firing to give nice effect. Completes the package. Other than that, it has both 60Hz and 90Hz display. It comes with Android 10 out of the box. It also has Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which has some minor improvements and increased performance from 855. It comes in two options, 128GB and 8GB or 256GB and 8GB. Camera setup is same as 7 Pro, 48 megapixel primary lens with f1.6 aperture, 12 megapixel telephoto and 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lenses. The camera system has improved a lot than the older phones is, and it works very well. Though one thing to mention is I personally don't like the circular setup. It has 3800 mAh battery, which works good and lasts long time, which will last longer if you use 60Hz all time, and has a warp charger 30T, which I must say charge the phone damn fast. The processor combined with 8GB RAM and good graphics, the performance of the phone is very good. And the gaming experience is immersive. It does not lag or shows any kind of restraint. And the gaming mode and the frantic mode adds to this beauty, as you can dive into gaming worlds without anyone disturbing. The final verdict. As we know, in mid-range phones, there are not many to compare with, and so in mid-range budget and performance like high budget phones, it is the one to buy. If you want to go higher in range, you can consider buying Samsung, but not in this range. Hey friends, if you like this video, please share it and subscribe our channel. Also follow us on Instagram, which link is given below. So